Okay folk, here today for a bit of fun and entertainment. We've got a Overtype Locomobile Carette running on camping stove tablets, because as you'll see here in a second, the burner's needs a bit of TLC, that burner, a handle and a couple of mushroom vaporizers. But anyhow, we've got it going with these camping stove tablets for now. This one had the cylinder melted off, amongst other things wrong with it, and a gauge glass. I made a new gauge glass for it. Fun bending that stuff up. About 3 goes before I got one the right length that didn't break when it heated up. Okay. There she goes. I think that's its original correct chimney. This one has a water pump, though I haven't hooked any water up with it yet to pump water in. I guess I should do that one day. Plenty of other things to do though. Those pumps are not usually much trouble as long as the valves are in them working properly. What else can I tell you? Nice sounding whistle on these. As a good boiler driver should do, you've got to keep your eye on the water level. And give Clinton a toot every now and again. There you go, Clinton. Uh, 100 years old, yes, I think so. Yeah, goes okay. Nice to have it all together and running. Yes. A bit of fettling to do to get that cylinder resoldered on there in the right position, and the timing set correctly again. Okie dokie. That's a few minutes of that. That'll be enough for today. Okay. Thanks for watching, folks.